my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In the torn up town, no postcode envy, but every song's like gold teeth, gray goose dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dream, but everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We are caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royal. It's a run in our blood. That kind of love's just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of blood. Let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. My friends and I, we've cracked the code. We count our dollars on the train to the party, and everyone who knows us knows that we're fine with this. We didn't come for money, but every song's like gold teeth, gray goose dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dream, but everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We are caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royal. It's a run in our blood. That kind of love.
Escaped me. I didn't know who I was. It was a simple shot without dialogue. All I had to do was open the door and walk across the compound, but something important was missing. I felt a tingle of excitement that could pass for utter fear. Even after the days of rehearsal, as I waited for my cue, I was still wondering, how am I supposed to be this guy who seems totally unlike me? He drinks, he chases women, he's a smart aleck. And what's he thinking? What does he want? God, I thought, I'm 35. I've been acting for almost 20 years. How can I have reached this point in my life and still be uncertain about this? Thoughts like this didn't help. I only became more inert. Outside, I heard, "Take one," and the snap of the clapperboard. Any second now, the director would call action. I put my hand on the doorknob. MASH would be a turning point in my life. My life would change when I stepped through this door. More than I could imagine as I stood there. But first, I had to get out of this damn shed.